Alright, what's going on, guys? Mr. Clash here. Welcome back to actually a Town Hall 8 epic farming base speed build. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this real quick, guys. Actually on vacation, even though I can't upload Clash videos, I will be able to because Eclipse told me that I can schedule the uploads to the time, so I could put them like 12:30 in the evening every single time I'm out on vacation, so you guys will have daily Clash of Clans videos. That means I'll have to pre-record a lot, but anyway, hopefully you guys do enjoy this Town Hall 8 speed build. Make sure you guys do drop a like, comment, subscribe. If you could hit 20 likes, that would be awesome. Just enjoy. I'm going to throw some music in, and I'll see you guys on my next video.